Now, what are the chances of getting a Vaillant? Two Vaillants on the same day with the same fault on it. Dun dun dun. F28. So the last one had the lead was faulty on that. And the customer, I've already sorted that. Unfortunately, I didn't make a film on it. All you gotta do is change the lead on it. So that was done. But let's see what's the problem with this one then. Let's reset it. Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Now I've been asked to have a look at this Vaillant. It's got an F28 code coming up on it. I did get it started once, but after that I couldn't get it going again. So we're going to be diagnosing it and repairing it, and it's an on-the-job video. And if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So I reset it and I got it going once, and I left it running for about 2 minutes, but then after that I switched it off and switched it back on, then I couldn't get it going. So all I was getting is F28. But this one's going to be a bit of a tough one to repair, isn't it? I'm promising that is it. Okay. Whoa. So this one I did. So the first thing I did is switch the gas off. I selected the gas and I wanted to check the pipe inside in case that's full of soot and gunk, whatever, and in case that's blocking the gas coming in. I thought the inlet pressure was okay, but I checked it anyway. Now what the boiler was doing, he was going through his ignition process 3 times and then just lock out into F28. So it was firing up, but just wouldn't keep the flame on. Now at this stage I had the gut feeling I know what's wrong with it, but I wanted to check a few things out before I go out and buy the part, just in case it's not that and something else. Yeah, that's fine. There's nothing wrong there.
How's it going? I only asked because I've got to go and pick the kids up now.
Okay.
So are you okay here till I get back?
How long will it be?
The school's just across the road.
Okay.
It'll be about 10 minutes.
No worries.
Yeah.
Now I'm just going to check the lead out now. Got my multimeter out and I'm going to check the ignition lead. We're going to check the continuity on it. got 0 ohms, 0. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Now, after checking the lead out, it was giving 0 ohms. So I've got a new ignition lead. We're going to put that in. Hopefully that resolves the issue on it. Sorted. The ignition lead was faulty. This baby is faulty. Now, what are the chances of repairing these, changing these 3 in a week? I ain't done this for like 10 years. I haven't changed one of these. And then suddenly 3 in a week. What are the chances on that? Anyway, sorted. If your boiler's broken down, give me a call. Birmingham boiler fix. Now, while I was repairing that boiler, this fine engineering specimen was just parked next to me. And look at this baby, it's just amazing. Honestly, I can't even ride a bike. But look at this, I'm dreaming about this baby here. Now after a long day, I felt like having a pizza. Now I've already tried a pizza with these guys a couple of days ago and it was really delicious, so I thought I'd try it again. It's a Variety Bites in Sparkhill. I am gonna have that all myself. I'm not sharing it with nobody. I'm not gonna take it home for the kids or either. It's all mine, just mine. Yeah, it's Variety Bite special. My brother Amin's having the pizza from the Variety Bites. What do you think, man?
Oh, the best. Variety Bite is the best. Trust me.
We just had a tough, long day at work and we're starving her.
Look, we don't even go home. I'm just on the job. Sad. You know what I mean? But
No, no. Shukr
sad.
alhamdulillah.
We love it.
Yeah, thank
Love our jobs.
Brilliant. See, that's